All right, hey guys. We are working on 6.02a. All right, and these look a little different than your other assignments. These were assignments that were, I believe, added on by teachers in Horry County Schools. So um, this looks a little different. Okay, so there's not a lesson. You're just continuing to work with John F. Kennedy's speech, but you're analyzing it for something different. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to this. So 6.202a, you see that there's no lesson and assignment. So you're just going to click on it. And again, this is different. And then click, and the directions are here. Download the attached PDF, upload it to your Google Drive. All right, and then you'll submit it. Okay, so this one you actually have to click attachment. All right, and then you see right here, evaluating a speech effects of punctuation. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and that's going to give you a PDF down here at the bottom. Okay, and then you can save this to your, download it to your Google Drive. All right, and then you should be able to hopefully type on it, or maybe you can open it as a Google Doc. Okay. All right. So what 6.02a is asking you to do is to evaluate John F. Kennedy's speech, but you're taking a look at the commas that he uses. Okay. So this is the speech that you should have already read. There also is in 6.02, you can click on it and listen to it if you'd like to listen to the speech again. As you are going through this, okay? And I would definitely, I think you looked at the speech in 6.01, and you're going to look at it a couple more times. So make sure that you, again, have read the speech, or you're going to listen, click on it in the lesson and listen to it, okay? So this is nothing new. The speech is over to the left, okay? And then when you come over here, whoops, what did I just do? Sorry about that. All right, so it's telling us that commas are used in writing to connect clauses, to connect items in a series, to mark introductory phrases, and to offset inessential phrases. So phrases that aren't essential. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't had enough coffee here this morning, I don't think. All right, so all it's asking you to use, all right, is three examples where um, you can tell why he used those commas. All right. So you're going to provide the textual evidence. So you're going to go in and copy and paste the sentence where he uses a comma. All right. And then you're going to explain why he used that comma. All right. And here is an example. Please don't reuse this example. Find another example of your own. Um, I hope that every American, comma, regardless of where he lives, comma, will stop and examine his conscience about this and other related incidents. All right, so that would be the textual evidence. You can see that he used two commas right there. All right, and we're looking at commas used to connect clauses, to connect items in a series, to mark introductory phrases, or to offset inessential phrases. All right, so let's see how this person analyzed this. So this would be the student analysis of textual evidence. All right, and this person said the comma in the sentence is used to mark an inessential phrase. Okay, so you have an inessential phrase when you don't need to have it for the sentence. All right, but you're putting it in there anyway, and then you need to offset it by commas. So you have a comma, regardless of where he lives, comma. And again, every American shows everyone. All right. So it's really non-essential, inessential to say regardless of where he lives. But he's using that to make a point, and he's used that comma there. Okay. So again, you just need to find three examples, and it goes down here as well. And then you will just submit this graphic organizer. Okay. So again, you see, I'll even give you one just because I'm feeling nice today. Today, comma, we are committed to a worldwide struggle to promote and protect the rights of all who wish to be free. That is an introductory clause. All right. Today, comma. All right. So there's another one. All right. So again, three instances where Kennedy has used commas, and then you can say how he used those. All right. And those ways are up here. All right. So make sure you take a look at the speech again, and you will be using the speech for next assignment as well. Okay. So again, this one looks a little different. Make sure that there's not a lesson for it. Okay. So you just got to go to the assignment, click. Let's see, I clicked on the assignment and then click on attachments. Okay. And then it's going to give you that PDF. Okay.